When you think about diving into the world of data analysis, picture this scene. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett, two titans of their fields, at a dinner party hosted by Bill's father. The question is posed to everyone. What's the key to your success? Despite not knowing each other well or seeing the other's answer, both Gates and Buffett wrote down a single word: focus. That's the secret sauce, folks. Focus. It's what can propel you from daydreaming about data to actually becoming a pro data analyst. Let's apply this superpower to the 4 essential steps to break into the field. Step number 1. Learn the basics. Zero in on statistics through resources like StatsQuest on YouTube. Master Excel and SQL, the tools that let you converse with data. There are fantastic free tutorials on Khan Academy ready to guide you. Number 2. Get technical. Direct your attention to learning Python or R. Zero to Master Academy is a great treasure trove of knowledge which offers free crash courses to get you started. This is your toolkit for dissecting and understanding data. Number 3. Projects. Apply your skills to real-world projects. Whether it's analyzing sports stats, exploring social media trends, or keeping an eye on your finances, immerse yourself. Your projects are the proving ground for your newfound knowledge. Finally, number 4, understand the business world. Knowing how to navigate business context is crucial. Dive into the Harvard Business Review for insightful business trends and strategies. And don't forget, my YouTube channel, Data Heroes, is here to break down complex data topics into digestible content. Begin with these focused steps and you'll be well on your way to analyze data, uncover insights, and make informed decisions in this modern world. Remember, focus is your superpower. Use it wisely.